Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Mint Mobile referral code. And it's really easy and simple if you want to save money on Mint Mobile with referral codes. So first things first, what you need to do is, if you're new, of course, go ahead and sign up on the Mint Mobile website. Or you can download the app, create a new account. Or if you're an existing user, just sign in to your existing account. And then what you're going to do is you're going to browse and select a plan that actually suits you. Okay, choose that plan, and during checkout, what you want to do, guys, you want to look for the field labeled referral code or promo code, and you want to enter that referral code during checkout. Okay, and then you want to fill in your details, including your payment options, and go ahead and complete the purchase. And once your order is complete, your referral discount will be applied, and you can start using Mint Mobile. And that's it, guys. So I hope this guide was of value to you. If it was, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.